Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix Cash App won't let me send money, or why is Cash App not letting me send money on your mobile. First, launch up Cash App, come at the top right, click on your profile icon, and from here I want you to scroll down under account and settings until you see support. Go ahead and tap on support, and from here choose this option that says something else. Okay, and from here I want you to just go ahead and select this option right here that says cash card, right? And from here I want you to scroll down again until you see customer support. So under cash card, tap on customer support, and when it asks you which transaction is this about, say that it's not a transaction. So tap on this one and then tap on chat and just type this in. Just say that you're not able to send money. They'll try to assist you and leave a message such as this. It's just a template that you can use, and they will be looking into this matter. Really that easy and simple. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.